So this is the main Affiliate Funnels dashboard page, and you can see you get a snapshot of all of the data, how many pages that you've created, the number of visitors, the number of clicks, and your conversion rate for your pages right on the main screen, which is great to see. Then when you first start using Affiliate Funnels, there's a couple of settings that you need to do. So on the Settings tab on the left hand side, when you click it, there's actually only two things to do. You need to type in all of your affiliate IDs into these boxes. So Warrior Plus, your JVZoo ID, ClickBank, Pay Kickstart, Zaxa, Thrivecart, JV Share. And then once you're therein, you click Save and it's done. And then the next thing to do is to link your autoresponder. So you come across to the right and click Autoresponder Settings. Now, as you can see, we've already got Ontraport and Aweber integrated. But let's say you're using GetResponse. So you need to add GetResponse to this list. It's very simple to do. All you do is click on this link here, Add New Lead Setting, and a box will open up for you. There it is. Now you need to select the autoresponder that you're using from this little white arrow here. So you click on there. And as you can see, there's GetResponse and all of the others that we've got integrated as well. So if we're using GetResponse, click on it. And now you need to grab GetResponse's API key, which you get by clicking this little link here. Once you've got that API key, you then paste it into this box and then click Make a Connection. And that links Affiliate Funnels to GetResponse. It also grabs all of the lists that are inside your GetResponse autoresponder as well. And you'll see why that's important in a minute. Once you've done that, then you give your autoresponder a name and just type in there and then click on Create Autoresponder. Once you've done that, your autoresponder will then appear in this list over here. And that's it. Now we're ready to start creating funnels. So over on the left hand side, we click on Create Funnel. Then click Select Funnel. And all of the funnels that we've got ready to go in the back end will appear. There they are in this box here. Now, as you can see, if I drag this little bar down, we've got an awful lot. As you can see, it goes all the way down. So we've got a lot of funnels that you can choose from. So let's choose one and let's just go through the whole process. So let's choose this one here. So we're going to choose to promote the Commission Gorilla product. Now, there's the page already done. So you can preview it live by clicking preview, and that opens up the page. There it is. This is what it's going to look like. This one's got a video. So just pause that. We come back to the dashboard. So if we've decided that this is the product that we want to promote, next thing to do then is to click Select. Now we've just got a couple of things to do on this page to get everything set up before we click finally Get Funnel Link. So the things that we need to do are these. First of all, we need to request approval from JVZoo, because it's a JVZoo product, to promote Commission Gorilla. So when you click on that link, it takes you straight the way through to JVZoo, where you then log in and apply to promote it. Let's come back to the dashboard. So that's the first thing that you need to do, and your link will appear and automatically in this box for you, so you haven't got anything to do in that respect. Next thing, if the product also has a joint ventures tools and resources page, you can get to it by this link here. So you just click on that, and then this page will open up, if there is one available, where you can grab the email swipes, and there might be some videos, some free downloads or something like that. So it's very, very useful and a real time saver. So you get those by clicking that there. Now, the next thing that you need to do is to decide where you want to store your leads. Now, if you don't have an autoresponder, that's absolutely fine. We'll store all of the leads that your page gathers locally inside the platform. So when someone signs up, all of the leads will be stored under this tab here, the Your Leads tab. And then when you've got an autoresponder, one that you want to use, you can literally download all of those leads into a CSV file and upload them into the autoresponder that you've chosen. So that's good. Now, as you saw earlier on, we've already got Aweber integrated. So on this little arrow here, I'm going to click on it. All of the autoresponders are listed. So we've got Aweber and Ontraport, as you saw. So let's click on Aweber. Now what's going to happen is all of the leads are going to be stored locally and on Aweber as well. So if you've got Aweber, GetResponse, Ontraport, MailChimp, and you want all of those leads to be stored on all of those autoresponders, you just select them. And all of those subscribers will be included on the lists in those autoresponders. So you can have them in lots of different places. Now with Aweber and in GetResponse and some of the others, all of the lists that are inside the autoresponder are going to be pulled into Affiliate Funnels. So you simply now need to select which list you want your subscribers to go on to. So with this little arrow here, and we click it, all of the lists are in here. This is all of the lists in our Aweber account. So if we wanted to change it from the one that's there now, we just simply click on it and it would then appear down here. But just for now, let's leave it on the one that it is already showing. And that's it. It's ready to go. So the final thing then is to click on Get Funnel Link. And there it is. There's the page that we've created. Now over here on the right hand side, we can do a number of things over here. We can edit it if we wanted to. You can download the page as well. Now when you download it, so let's say you wanted to upload it somewhere else, it downloads as a zip file in its entirety, which means all of the leads are still going to be captured and stored in the same place as your original setup. So that's really useful. So let's have a look at our page. So I'm going to click on the link.
Everyone knows the quickest way to start.
Pause the video, and there it is. That's it, with the affiliate link fully embedded. So all you now need to do is to send traffic to that particular page. And that's how easy it is to use affiliate funnels.